Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the video. Here we have exercise 4C, question number 7. It says factorize each of the following expressions completely. So we will have to do the same thing. We have to make the factors of these the question given to us. Okay, so I have to look for the ways that how can I apply the formula here. Okay, as you can see, it's clear that a square minus b square formula will be applied here. In the case of the variable here, a and b, it's very easy to make the factors of it. If I write b here and take the square of it, it will give me b square, and if I write a here, it will give me a square. Very easy. But there's a problem in this question. As you can see that the when I go for the numbers 32 and 98, 32 is not a square of any number. Same goes with 98, it is not a square of any number. So how will I make the factors of a number which is not a square of any number? So as we did in previous questions, there were some questions in which we faced this difficulty that some numbers were not giving us the perfect square. So what we did previously was that we take out a number common here. We always look for something common, and when we take out that common, the numbers which are left after taking the common, they always contain the perfect square. So let's see here. Okay, 32 and 98, what is common between these two numbers? As you can see here, 32 and 98, they both are ending with an even number, 2 and 8. So they both are even numbers. Even numbers are very easy to take out common. They always have two common in them. So let's see, if I take 2 common here, let's take 2 common here, what is left in the bracket? It will be 2 times which number is 32? 2 times 16 is 32. Okay, and a square as it is, as I have taken only 2 common here. Same goes here, 98, this minus is coming here. 2 times which number is 98? 2 times 49 is 98, b square. Now as you can see here, now it's very easy for me. 16 is the square of 4 and 49 is the square of 7. Very good. So now we can start solving this question the way we did all the previous questions. 2 is outside. Now a square minus b square, I have to find my a. A will be given by the first number. You can see here, which number will give me the square of 16? It is very easy, 4. And a, if I take the square of this whole value, it will give me 16a square. Same goes with here, minus 49, 7 is the square of 49, and b, square of b will be b square. Easy. Now I've assigned my variables a square minus b square. Now I will apply the formula and open them. A square minus b square is equals to what? A plus b and a minus b. So a plus b, a is 4a plus 7b, a plus b, and a minus b. Simple. This is my answer. Okay, now here we have part C. As you can see here, for C, first that how can I apply the formula here? A square minus b square formula will be applied here. Then look for the numbers. 9, okay, 9 is the square of 3, yes. Then 100, 10 is the square, if I take the square of 10, it will give me 100, and 16, 4 times 4 is 16. So all these numbers are perfect squares, so I can easily start solving this question. So first number will be, if I will put the bracket first, 3 square will be 9, square of h will be h square, upon square of 10 will be 100 whole square, minus 4 and k square. A square minus b square, so 3h upon 10 is my a and only 4k is my b. So I will apply the formula. A plus b means 3h upon 10 plus 4k, and 3h upon 10 minus 4k. A plus b, a minus b. I have made the factors. This is my answer. Okay, so part A and part C are done. You have to do all the remaining parts by yourself, and if you have any confusion in them, you can ask me in the comments below. Okay, so now we're on to question number 8. Factorize each of the following expressions completely. This question is same. Now we will start solving these questions. Okay, now there is something different in these questions. Previously, as you can see, the first number was quite small, and the second number, the b, a and b, the both values are very small, so it was very easy to apply the formula on the first and the last values here. Okay, so the first value used to give us a, and the second value used to give us b. This same method will be applied here, but the difference here is, you can see the first number which it is, it is quite big and it's quite different, so don't be confused by that. The first value which is before the given sign here, this is a minus sign, so before this minus sign, any value which is written here, it will always be considered as my A, and after the sign will be my B. As you can see here in the previous questions, this was my A before the sign, and after the sign was my B. Same method will be applied here. Okay, so this whole value is my A. As you can see here, this whole value will give me the value of A, and after the sign it is my B. So how will I apply the formula? A, as you can see, the minus sign is here. A square minus B square formula will be applied here. Okay, as you can see, A is already in its factor. I have to just write this value here. This is my A square minus B. I have to break 9 into a number here, so I can put a square there, and then you can see I can easily apply the formula. A plus 3 is my A square minus B square. 3 is now my B, which was driven from 9. Okay, so I can easily apply the formula A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B means this whole value, A plus B, and A minus B. Now if I open the brackets here, you can see here I can easily open the brackets. The numbers will not be multiplied because there is a sign between the brackets and the number. If there was not a sign, it means that the number is multiplying with them. Here we have the plus sign, and here, as you can see, the minus sign, so we can easily open the brackets because there is no number multiplying here. So I am opening the brackets. A plus 3 and A plus 3 minus 3. Now as you can see, as there's something cancelling here, you can see here same number 3 with opposite sign, plus and minus, so they are cancelled. So, and 3 plus 3 is 6. I'm writing this A first. Okay, only A is left here, so I'm writing this A first. A, and what is left in the bracket? A plus 3 is 6. This is our answer.